Hey there, so welcome to a brand new video on blockchainprime, and in today's video we are going to deploy the Fullstack dApp which we have built on Kava network. In the previous videos we have covered what is Kava network, how to write your own smart contract, how to set up the environment, how to deploy it, how to make your front end, how to customize it and link it with the blockchain backend. So in this video we are just going to deploy the Fullstack app which we have built till now. So without further ado, let's get started. You just have to open the terminal and search, like you have to just type this command yarn build. So it is going to build the tab for you which you can deploy on Netlify. After that you have to go to app.netlify.com, and this dist folder is the folder which is consisting of all the files which we have to upload. So right click on it, click on revealing a file explorer, drag this, drop it here, and our Kava greeted app has been deployed. That's it. So just click here, and yeah, this is the greeted app which we built. Click on connect wallet. It is going to ask us to connect, so I am connecting it. So yeah, connecting with Kava. Now it is saying hey there, bye bye, subscribe us, set message, transaction has been initiated. Now confirming the transaction, waiting for a few seconds and fetching the message by clicking on get message. So yeah, it says that it has fetched successfully. Also we cannot see the message here. Okay, bye bye subscribers. So see you in the next video. And if you really like this video, make sure to comment it below, and yep, see you in the next playlist. Bye bye.